Hello, awesome fourth graders. We're going to be practicing our state practice test again this week, okay? We're going to use this test number 2. It's a lot different, but because I want you to see this, because your test can have your test will have 2 questions, and one of them will probably have a video involved, or it may not. And those of you at home, I hope you do come in to take the test, okay? So, on your paper, you're going to see there's a link. You're going to go to the link, and you're going to choose fourth grade, second choice, and then the first line. So computer-based unit test 2, computer-based 2. So I'm going to go here. Here is, and I'm choosing fourth grade. Let me show you where I got fourth grade chosen. It's fourth grade. It's unit 2 test right there. It's going to have you sign in as a guest again. So I'm going to start as a guest, be my guest, do my best on their test. I'm going to start. And then I want you to go immediately. You're going to use your tools that we reviewed. Go to the review. You're going to go all the way to question 9 of 9. And that's what the question is. We are just doing the writing part today, this time, okay? Today you will research wild horses in the United States and read 3 articles about them. As you review these sources, you will gather information about the illustrations and answer questions about wild horses so you can write an essay. Now, I know you know what an essay is. It's a fancy word for... You got it. A summary. There are 3 different things, and I can go between this one. This is a passage. Notice they have all the paragraphs. They have wonderful illustrations, and they said use those illustrations. So they have great illustrations here, and something about in Virginia, something's happening. Then I'm going to the second one, wild ponies, and I'm looking at this. Oh, there's more. Ooh, ponies in the water. This looks like a great article. Okay, and now everyone's watching these ponies run. Oh, and it's showing you where it is and where the island is. This is great, where it's at. Located off of Maryland by Virginia. So notice that the articles are connecting to each other. And here is an article about that video. This is, this is a video about that article, I'm sorry. So we're going to go down here, and I'm not going to watch it with you, but you can see it's about the Chincoteague. A great interview with students. I'm going to pause it right here because I'm going to go back up to the original. And there's wild ponies of the Chincoteague. There it is. And then there's this one. So there's 2 different places. There's this place and that place. Okay? So now, the question says, your class has been studying the survival of the ponies on Assateague Island. I don't know how to say that, okay? Using information from the article and the video, write a report. Report. We've never learned how to write a report, did we? But we've learned how to write a summary. Let's use our ideas of a summary. Describing the role that both the horses and humans play in the horse's survival. So I have to do both the horses, I'm going to highlight that, and the humans, highlight that, play in the horse's survival. And I'm going to highlight, I can't highlight survival. Maybe I can. Yes, I can. Survival. So, be sure to include evidence from the article and the video to support your answer. Now, remember I told you that the video and the article are both about this, and then this is another article. So make sure you have things from this article and the video, okay? So, I am not going to write this with you. Be sure to include evidences. You need to know, what do the horses do to help survive, and what do humans do to survive? So I'm going to start writing. I can use bold if I need to use bold, italicize or underline. I can bullet, I can unbullet. I can number, I can unnumber. Okay? Make sure I spell check when I'm done. Now, when I'm done typing, so when I am done typing, I need to put this on the document that Miss Silva has created. She will let me know how I did. Okay, so when you're done, I want you to highlight everything. Control-C, copy. Go back to your state test. Go all the way down to the bottom. It says, type here. You can do this. I know you can. I'm going to backspace on this. Back. And I'm going to paste. When I'm done typing, I need to put this document so Miss Silva can let me know how I did. Okay, there it is. That's all you're doing. Now, if you are really wanting to do your very best on this test, go back to the last time we did our state test. That was back in March, okay? March 22nd. Look at what I told you about that. Go to Google Classroom, look at that item. I didn't delete that one, I left it there. See what I told you to do. See what ideas to make your writing better. Then I want to encourage you to, when you do this, do not look back at that other assignment. You can look at the words, look at the stories, everything. Do your very best. Spell check it. And then copy and paste it onto this document and then turn it in. Okay? I want you to do your best. I want you to do your best. Do your best, do your best, do your best. I will get this back to you as soon as I can, probably by the end of this week. Okay? So that you can look at what you did and how you did. Because this week we start our math testing. We do math testing on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But then next week we do our language arts, and it includes our writing. And I want you to do your best on your writing. Okay? If you have any questions, please give me a call.